Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off Cyber Threat Alert on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Itel S15 mobile phone. In settings, go to notifications. In notifications, go to advanced settings. In advanced settings, okay, below you can see the wireless emergency alert. Okay, tap this. And now here in wireless emergency alert, okay, you can see the cyber threat. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, the cyber threat alert is on. And okay guys, to turn off this, you'll have to do is turn off the switch button on the right side of cyber threat. And okay guys, we have successfully turned off. To turn on again, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. Okay guys, we have successfully turned on again. And okay guys, I decide to turn off the cyber threat alert on my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on or off cyber threat alert on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.